Imagine a motorcycle gliding silently through a picturesque landscape, leaving nothing but a whisper in its wake. This is the future of motorcycles powered by electricity. E-motorcycles promise a cleaner, quieter, and exhilarating riding experience. As the world shifts towards sustainable transportation, e-motorcycles are a compelling alternative. With sleek designs, instant torque, and zero emissions, they capture the imagination of riders. The transition to electric powertrains is a paradigm shift in the motorcycle industry. E-motorcycles are poised to revolutionize two-wheeled freedom. Riders from all walks of life are discovering the unique appeal of electric motorcycles, embracing a greener and more sustainable future for the open road. The roar of a motorcycle engine has long been synonymous with freedom and adventure. However, this iconic sound comes at a cost: air pollution and noise pollution. Electric motorcycles offer a compelling alternative, delivering a thrilling ride without the harmful emissions. E-motorcycles are powered by electric motors that draw energy from rechargeable batteries. Unlike gas-powered motorcycles that burn fossil fuels, e-motorcycles produce zero tailpipe emissions, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier environment. This shift towards electric powertrains aligns with the global push for sustainability as nations strive to reduce their carbon footprint and combat climate change. By choosing electric motorcycles, riders can actively participate in this collective effort to create a greener future, enjoying their passion for riding while minimizing their impact on the planet. In this section, we delve deeper into the technological advancements that set electric motorcycles apart from their gas-powered counterparts. At the heart of every electric motorcycle is its battery technology. Modern e-motorcycles are equipped with lithium-ion batteries, which offer high energy density and longer lifespans. These batteries are designed to provide consistent power delivery while being lightweight and compact, making them ideal for high-performance applications. Motor efficiency is another area where electric motorcycles excel. Electric motors convert over 90% of the energy from the battery into motion, compared to internal combustion engines that typically operate at around 30% efficiency. This high efficiency translates into better performance and longer range on a single charge. The latest innovations in electric bike design are also worth mentioning. From regenerative braking systems that extend battery life to advanced control units that optimize power delivery, manufacturers are continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible. These technological advancements not only enhance the riding experience, but also make electric motorcycles a viable and attractive option for a wider range of riders. As we explore these cutting-edge technologies, it's clear that electric motorcycles are not just an alternative to traditional bikes. They represent the future of riding. When it comes to performance, electric motorcycles are quick off the line. Electric motors deliver instant torque, providing exhilarating acceleration from a standstill. This instant power delivery translates into a thrilling riding experience, especially in urban environments. In terms of maintenance, e-motorcycles require less upkeep compared to their gas-powered counterparts. With fewer moving parts, there's no need for oil changes, spark plug replacements, or complex engine maintenance. Electric motorcycles are also incredibly quiet. The absence of a combustion engine results in a near-silent ride, reducing noise pollution and creating a more peaceful riding experience, particularly in residential areas. While gas-powered motorcycles have long been associated with power and performance, electric motorcycles are proving that sustainability and excitement can go hand in hand. Embracing a new riding experience. For many, the rumble of a gas engine is integral to the riding experience. Electric motorcycles offer a new sensory experience. Their near-silent operation connects riders with their surroundings. Some manufacturers add artificial sound generators for a customizable experience. Embracing electric motorcycles means prioritizing sustainability and innovation. A greener ride, a healthier wallet. The advantages of going electric. Electric motorcycles offer significant environmental and economic benefits. By eliminating tailpipe emissions, e-motorcycles contribute to cleaner air quality. Reduced reliance on fossil fuels lessens our dependence on finite resources. This shift aligns with global efforts for a sustainable future. Economically, electric motorcycles offer lower running costs. Electricity is cheaper than gasoline, saving on fuel expenses. Simpler mechanics mean reduced maintenance costs. Section 6. Overcoming challenges, range anxiety and the charging infrastructure. Despite the advantages of electric motorcycles, challenges remain. Range anxiety is a primary concern, the fear of running out of battery. Electric motorcycles generally have lower range than gas-powered ones. Charging infrastructure is another challenge. Charging stations for e-motorcycles are still lagging behind. Section 7. The road ahead. Electric motorcycles leading the charge. The future of motorcycles is electric. As battery technology continues to advance and charging infrastructure expands, electric motorcycles will become increasingly accessible and practical for a wider range of riders. With their environmental benefits, thrilling performance and unique riding experience, e-motorcycles represent a compelling alternative to traditional gas-powered bikes. Whether you're an urban commuter, a weekend warrior, or a dedicated motorcycle enthusiast, it's time to consider making the switch to electric and join the ride towards a greener and more sustainable future.